Here's everything you need to add a savory touch to your next fruit salad with your choice, either spicy cool dressing or vanilla vinaigrette. Of course, first you have to fill your salad bowl with lots of ripe fruit. And ripening is all about making the fruit more palatable, more edible, making it sweeter, even softer. So you can generally divide fruit into 3 different categories. Fruit that after picking ripens and sweetens, things like bananas, pineapples, pears, tomatoes even, also fruit. Or fruits that ripen after picking but never get any sweeter, melons and tropical fruits and plums and peaches. Really what's happening is that because they're getting softer, the sweetness that's already there is being revealed. And then there are fruits that never ever ripen after they're picked. Berries and citrus and grapes. So when you get home from the supermarket, there is nothing you can do about the flavor here. It's locked in tight. Although you can influence the flavor of these fruits by simply being patient, waiting a couple of days, allowing them to soften, allowing their full flavor to come out. And then you get to make the best fruit salad ever. Did you know that most fruits sink, but the apple floats because it's 25% air? Now that's a ripe melon. There are really no rules when it comes to cutting fruit. Really, all you're trying to do is get rid of the stuff that's not edible, the skins and sometimes the seeds, but not always. And passion fruit is one of those rare fruits where you actually eat the seeds and throw everything else away. And as best you can, try to show off the form of the fruit, the form that Mother Nature gave it. This fruit salad is good to go just exactly the way it is, but you could balance it a bit too if you like. I mean, it is full of sweetness, and sweetness balanced with sour lime and spicy chili, cooled off with cooling mint and a little mint jelly to bring the works together. Spicy cool dressing. Now that's the way to dress a fruit salad. Quarter cup or so of mint jelly. And 1 teaspoon of your favorite hot sauce. In my case, that's sambal, chili garlic sauce. Spicy cool. I love the way the mint and the hot sauce balance each other out and then balance the sweetness of the fruit. Strong contender. So which one's going to be my favorite? Spicy cool dressing or vanilla vinaigrette? And I know that sounds crazy, but vanilla works so well with these savory flavors, with white wine vinegar, with honey, with olive oil, with mustard. It just somehow binds all those flavors together and it goes awesome with fruit salad. Half a cup of white wine vinegar, half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of honey. A little bit more sweetness never hurts. And a tablespoon or so of your secret ingredient. And it will be a secret. Nobody's going to guess that you put vanilla in the dressing. And a little bit of mustard, any mustard, to bring it all together. The emulsifier, a tablespoon or so. Vanilla vinaigrette, one of my all-time favorite salad dressings. And it's not just for fruit salad. This works on any salad. With the vanilla vinaigrette, this one's actually more conventional. I mean, you recognize the flavor. You may not be able to put your thumb on the name of it, but you know it's sort of in the right place. And you know it's delicious. They both benefit from being packed full of ripe fruit flavor. That's definitely the key here. That's sort of the underpinning, the base, if you will. But I gotta say, I love that spicy, cool flavor mixed in with all that sweet fruit. I guess balance wins the day.